Alright, Railfanning Adventures, November 25th, 2022. I'm here at the east end of Hobson Yard in Lincoln, Nebraska. And this is an eastbound loaded coal drag coming out of the yard. I'm Richard Bernardin. I am the founder of Railfanning Adventures. And 5684. Pulling a loaded coal drag east, coming out of the yard. Old Santa Fe's right there, now BNSF. The way I could tell is the maroon, they were Santa Fe before they were painted for BNSF. There's an old Burlington Northern coal hopper. Still in original BN paint. If you ever get the chance, on the eastern side, oh, here comes another BN, an original paint. On the eastern side of Hobson Yard, there's a big parking lot near the, I think it's the recycling center. Great place to sit and watch trains coming off and going down the beginning of the St. Joseph sub, heading east on the Heartland division. Coal is king here. This is their main line to the Powder River Basin where most of this coal comes from. Great place to sit and watch train. Right in front of me are the leads for the St. Joseph sub, which starts here. What I call the Hobson Yard bypass track. There's one, a diamond to my left, big Y right here. Sometimes they come and spin power here, spin power around. The Amtrak station's to my right. You get the California Zephyr coming through here. I think the westbound is like the middle of the night. Eastbound should be early in the morning. And it's on time. So, great place to watch trains. Another great place to watch trains on this line is in Ashland, Nebraska, right behind the subway, off of Route 6. Another great spot. That's the beginning of the Sioux City sub, and the Heartland division goes right through there. Again, there's signals to see what's coming west, and signals to see what's going east off the St. Joseph sub. You can park over there. It's like a carpenter shop. Just park out of the way of the guy that owns it. You don't mind us sitting there watching trains. Another Burlington Northern. You're guaranteed to at least see an executive Grandstein, a war bonnet, or one of the many engines that are running local service that are still in BN paint. The local that works the lumber yard and stuff behind me comes out with a caboose, which is being used as a shove platform. So not a whole lot of light here at night, but just enough to see what's going by with your headlights. It is a very busy line. Like I said, a lot of coal. Havelock Yard is just to the east of us, so they do run a Hobson to Havelock. Railfanning Adventures. Railfanning for those who can't. Changing the world one smile at a time. Again, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be at Trains and Toy Soldiers today, helping Frank out with the Black Friday stuff. I'm doing a little rail fanning this morning because I'm super early. The store opens at 10, closes at 3. Frank's doing some sales. Come on down, let's talk trains and toy soldiers. Again, I'm on the eastern side of Hobson Yard here in Lincoln, Nebraska, capital of Nebraska. It's November 25th, Black Friday. Yeah, I'm doing a little railfanning adventure of my own today. And then I will be at the shop. Trains and Toy Soldiers from 10 to 3 today. Come on by, see me, we'll talk trains. Frank's doing a bunch of sales for Black Friday. Now, here comes the rear DPU. Another pumpkin, I believe.